Hi everybody, my name is Johanna Weiman, and for today I'm going to be showing you question 5 in quiz number 2. I did get the question right, but irregardless I'm going to show you how I got to my answer. So in the question it states, according to the IRS, it should say according to the IRS, but there's a typo there. According to the IRS, how many total sole proprietorships, not including farms, were indicated on U.S. tax returns in the year 2013? And so the answer choices here are about 24 million, about 2 million, about 44 million, and about 12 million. So for the purpose of this quiz review, I'm going to use the online book since you cannot see my physical textbook. I went to page 34, which is chapter 2, and on here there is a pie chart, which is a comparison of business type and receipts. So I will go ahead and zoom it in a little bit. So on here on the pie chart, you can see that proprietorships are this medium blue color right here, and it says the answer is 22,614,483. And so if you were to look at it, you would think that maybe it's closest to 24 million, but you also have to pay attention to the fact that it says 2013 instead of 2008. So according to this, I had to look up how many total sole proprietorships in U.S. tax returns in the year 2013 on Google. So what I did is I went ahead and selected this for a quick search on Google. And I copied and pasted it into Google, and I press search. And I look at these SOI tax stats, and under the tax years, I select 2013 as per the question, and it pulls up an Excel chart. So I will go ahead and access that Excel chart for you. So in this Excel chart, and I have to make it bigger, it shows all non-farm industries. So in order for everyone to see it, it says number of returns, and it says 24,074,684. And so when you go to the word about, that's where the about comes in. And so the answer is about 24 million as per the answers. So about 24 million would be the answer. So if you're going to look at why that one is the answer instead of the other choices, you know that 44 million isn't even on the chart in relations to how large the number could be, and all the other answer choices are closer to these two, which are partnerships and corporations. So 2 million is closer to partnerships, and 5 million is not that close, but is closer to corporations. And also looking at the Excel sheet, you can see, I have to pull it up again, you can see that the other numbers on this sheet are not non-farm industry, so that's where you would get your other numbers. You have a number that's close to 2 million right here, which is construction, and if you look for 12 million, it doesn't actually appear on the sheet for this year, so that's also an incorrect answer, as well as 44 million, because it's not really in the range for this tax return. So that is how I got to my answer, because it showed it on the Excel sheet. So I did end up getting that question correct, and the answer was about 24 million. All right, thank you.